show up. Look at that sun. Of course, yeah, and then it goes behind the building. Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I'm coming into the southern edge of Oak Ridge, Tennessee right now. And check that out, huh? I'm getting ready to ride something I just learned about on the internet yesterday called the Devil's Triangle. If that interests you at all, please stick around, stay tuned, and let's find out what this is all about. We're basically following 62 West out of Oak Ridge, Tennessee. Check out the old drop tank. And then, if memory serves, I think it's 116 we're going to turn north on. Anyway, I'll tell you for sure once we get there. Alright, I'm not sure what this is all about, but I just had to make a quick U-turn and get it on film if nothing else. Doesn't look like they survived the landing. Oh, that's kind of cool. Check that out. Anyway, that was worth the U-turn. Okay, here it is. Route 116 north that we're getting ready to turn on. Brushy Mountain Grill. Too bad it's not lunchtime. Now, basically looking at the map, this 116 looks like it's supposed to get really curvy, and according to what I read online, they advertise this along with the Dragon, that some of the curves up here are supposed to rival the Dragon. Let's just hope it doesn't rival the traffic congestion. So far, I've pretty much been alone for the most part. I'll have to zoom in and post. I won't mention the character's name, but a certain assassin of Dr. King used to live there. Interesting fact about this road. Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary. Right now, the speed limit is 35. Wow, cool. Holy crap, this is cool. Oh, shoot. Of course, you always got to have someone going left to center. So, in fact, it is like the Dragon. Except right now, the road's in better shape. When I rode the Dragon back in April, parts of the right side of the road as you were going from north to south were just in terrible condition. Easy to wreck if you're leaned over hard. Cave in on the right side right there. Okay, one word of caution, if you're doing this the way I am, in a clockwise direction, I've seen a couple gravel roads now on this uphill side that have washed out onto the road. And someone was having fun doing some donuts. Is there really going to be tracks up here? Oh, nice river shot. Okay, we're going to stop here for a second, even though it's illegal. Don't care. Nice. Yeah, the last railroad track sign I saw back there, there were no tracks. But this one has them. Not that it looks like it gets used. Cool gravel road. Hey, those tracks are rough, so if you come through here, be careful. I don't think you're going to see a train, but I'm just going out on a limb here. Well, even though I'm still in the twisties, the speed limit just changed from 35 to 45, so does that mean it's more mild from here on out? I mean, we're eventually going to end up back in, yeah, just brain part of the name of that town. There we go, Oak Ridge, Tennessee. The GPS makes it look like we're getting ready to hit a whole bunch more twisties again. That sign says we are too. Road's been a little iffy in spots on the right, like what you see there. Ooh, that was a tight one. Boy, when that sun clears these hills, talk about getting blinded by the light. Okay, gravel, yep. That, and I was afraid of getting blinded when I crested that hill and not being able to see anything. Alright, we are going south now according to the GPS, which means I don't know how many miles, but we'll be getting closer to the end of this Devil's Triangle. It's been a lot of fun so far. And by the way, in case you're wondering, it's at a very early Sunday morning, so that definitely helps with traffic. And then I catch this. Not a road I would want to personally pull a trailer on. But I guess you got to do what you got to do, right? And then the wonderful gentleman just slowed down so I could safely pass. That's courtesy, you gotta love that. It's based on what the GPS is telling me. I'm almost done with 116 here. And it's kind of ending in a glory here. And in case you're wondering, yes, there's a lot of times I'm purposely avoiding the right side of my road because the last several miles there's been a ton of bad spots on the right side of the road. See, here's another one. Alright, I am going to end this video here. That is pretty much the Devil's Triangle, except you would take 330 back to Oak Ridge. And I really don't think I want to do that, because I'm just kind of heading north today no matter what. And according to the map, it looks like this is kind of a boring road. So we're going to skip that little section. Continue on 116 north here. Hope you got something out of that. I hope you liked it. If you would, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.